So friends, if you're using IDFC Bank application and if you want to know how to transfer money from this application to other bank account, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the very first thing you have to do is just simply open IDFC First Bank application in your mobile phone and complete the login process. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Now, in order to do money transfer, select bank transfer option over here and it will take you to the next page. Over here, you get an option of all pays. It means if you have added a payee or a beneficiary account, then you will get to see the list over here. You can directly select the beneficiary account. You can enter the amount, and down here you get to select payment mode. So either you can select IMPS, you have an option of NEFT, RTGS over here, and you can also schedule the payment for later, right? And if you tap on pay, the transaction will be done. So this is one way of transferring money, but it will only be helpful if you have already added a beneficiary account. Now if you want to transfer money to some other bank account which is not added as a beneficiary, then in that case you need to add it as a payee first, which is you need to add it as a beneficiary account. So simply tap on add payee option over here and you need to select the bank account. So I'm going to select IndusInd bank account over here. You can search for the bank, you can select the bank like this, and you get two options. One is mobile number and another one is account number. So if you have account details of the person to whom you want to transfer the money, you can select account number option over here and you can enter the account details. So just fill up the details and select confirm and add payee option. So now you can see I have entered the account details. Let's tap on confirm and add payee option. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number, so you have to enter the OTP and go ahead. So I have entered the OTP. Let's tap on submit, and now you can see we have successfully added the payee account. Now next thing is, for the first 30 minutes you can only transfer up to 5,000. First 24 hours you can only transfer up to 25,000, and after that as per daily limit, which is usually for IMPS and NEFT you get a maximum limit of 5 lakhs per day, and for UPI it is maximum 1 lakh per day. So that will be the limit. So if you want to transfer the amount, then simply tap on send money option, enter the amount over here, and as I said, for the first 30 minutes it will be somewhere around 5,000, but now we are just going to try to transfer 2,000, and I'm doing this for testing purpose, so I have added a note of test over here. Down here you get an option of payment mode. So if you want to do IMPS transfer, you can select IMPS. If you want to do NEFT transfer, which will take 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours in some cases, then you can select NEFT. You have an option of RTGS and you can also schedule the payment later, right? So I want to do IMPS transfer, so I have selected it, and you can see zero transfer fees. So there is no additional fees. Tap on pay option. It will ask you to enter your MPIN, so do that. Once you enter the MPIN, tap on verify option. Now you can see the payment is successful. If you want to check out details, you can check down here. You can check out the transaction ID, you can check out the payment mode, you can check out the account to whom you have transferred the amount, and you can also check out the account from which the amount is debited. If you want to share this transaction, you have share option over here as well. So yes, this is how simple it is to transfer money from IDFC Bank application to any other bank account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.